I will explain the arthroscopic Bankart repair procedure. When the shoulder joint is forcibly abducted, externally rotated, or horizontally extended, it dislocates. In over 90% of cases, the anterior-interior portion of the labrum, which surrounds the glenoid fossa, becomes detached from the articular cartilage. The first step of the surgery is to use a round-shaped rasp to abrade the edge of the cartilage and create a foundation, called a trough, for repairing the labrum. The width is approximately 4 millimeters. 4 anchors are inserted at the border between the cartilage and the prepared foundation. Three small skin incisions, each about 1 centimeter in length, called portals, are made. Now I will explain the repair of the glenohumeral ligament complex. After inserting the orange drill guide, drill a hole through the guide and insert a bone hook to create a hole for anchoring. The diameter of the hole is less than 2 millimeters. Insert the anchor through the guide into the hole. The anchor is made of only thread-like material and is designed not to leave any metallic substances in the body. After removing the guide, pulling the anchor thread towards the front will secure the thread clump inside the hole. Using a device called a suture punch, pass a loop-shaped nylon thread through the labrum. Leave one end of the loop thread outside the body. Here is the external view of this process. By pulling one end, the loop thread is guided into the joint. Now we will perform a suture relay. First, pass one limb of the anchor through the loop. Then, by pulling the loop thread, pass the anchor limb through the labrum. Here is the external view of this process. Release the thread through the accessory portal. To suture the labrum, insert a plastic tube called a cannula into the joint. This is a tool to prevent the thread from tangling when making the necessary knots for labrum repair. Pull the limbs of the anchor out of the body through the cannula. Create a knot outside the body and push it into the joint using a device called a knot pusher to repair the labrum to the glenoid. Insert a few more knots for reinforcement. Finally, cut the thread with a knot cutter to complete the first repair. For the second repair, use a device called a suture hook, which has a twisted shape to pass the anchor through the labrum. The loop remains inside the joint and relays the thread to pass the anchor through the labrum. The second repair is now complete. As each of the 4 labrum repairs is completed, the continuous tension of the capsule labrum complex is achieved, stabilizing the shoulder joint. This concludes the outline of the Bankart repair procedure.